Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jack from Italy and I am language enthusiast. So my goal is to start this language, this YouTube channel is to learning English fluency. My current level is beginner. I have created this to help motivate me to study because I hope it will help me to learn English language. I know already three languages: Hindi, Spanish, and Italy. So my this year goal is to learning English, and I also teaching English to you. So subscribe my YouTube channel and let's begin. So let's start the question. The first question is, what is your full name? So my full name is Jack Russo. Which country are you from? I am from Italy. Uh, Third question is, how old are you? I am 15 years old. The fourth question, where did you live in Italy? I am living in Rome, in Italy. How many countries have you traveled? So I have traveled three countries: India, Australia, and Spain. Next question is, how many languages do you know? So I know Hindi, Italian, and Spanish. I three languages. So which language do you learn now? Now I am learning two languages. One is English and other is Mandarin Chinese. Next question is, it is difficult to learn two languages at the same time. Yeah, little bit is difficult, but if you have plan for both the language, it's very easy because now I am learning two language is English or Mandarin Chinese, but I have also I also focus on English only. I learn Mandarin Chinese as a part time like a job or uh, because I have only focused on English language this year. But if sometime I feel boring or th- that time I learn Mandarin Chinese. So when when in future if I start learn learning Mandarin Chinese, I don't have any surprise or any other thing. So I show some. I know in that time I already know some words in Chinese. So for me it's easy in the future. So yeah, it's very easy or or difficult also. If you have a plan for this for learning two language, it's little bit easy. The next question is, which language do you learn in the future? So my future plan is I want to learn a language is French, and I also want to learn Korean also. So after learning Chinese and English, I I started I will start learning uh, Mandarin, uh, Korean language. I think, yeah, French. Do you have a girlfriend? This is very peculiar question. Yeah, I have a girlfriend, but now it is my ex. But I have one friend who is my best friend, but she is not my girlfriend. Next question. Have you ever tried to learn a language with your girlfriend and it works or not? This is a very peculiar question. Also, yeah, I tried one time. I learned Hindi with my ex Indian girlfriend. Uh, I know when I was in India, I s- I start I at that time I learning two language is English and Hindi also. Hindi as a main language and English is part time. So in that time I learned Hindi with my ex Indian girlfriend. So next question is, who is your favorite YouTuber? So my favorite YouTuber is Ellen DeGeneres. Uh, I also like Lupa Lamparia. He is a best volleyball, and I love to watch WWE also. So these three or four channel I watch all the time. How did you speak English very well in a short time? Yeah. So as I told you, uh, I learned English last year as a part time. So I know little bit words, some words, and I know some rules and some grammar in English. So that's why I know I speak language very well. But I started learning English as a main language is 15 days ago. So, but I learned this language uh, last year also as a part time. So that's why it's easy for that's why for me it's easy to speak English. Last question is, what is your wildest dream? So wildest dream, I want to, yeah. So I love to cooking. I am also good as a cook. So I want to work on a restaurant as a cook person. So, but not in Italy. I want to work in India. India is the largest country and is the big country. And I, if I, but Indian food are very uh, peculiar. Like I know live India. Uh, I lived India for 6 months. Uh, I had lived India for 6 months. That time I learned Hindi, but I like Indian food. I also like Chinese food. So I also do work in China also. So my wildest dream is working in a restaurant as a cook. And so thank you guys for asking me this question. And I we will meet you after some day. And if you are interested in learning English with me. So write in a comment and give me your phone number. We will talk to each other in English. So we so your and my language are improve. So bye guys, and thank you for listening me. And also friend, you are interested in learning a Spanish. I will teach you Spanish in my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel, and I upload uh, uh, e- every day video of his name is one word show. So I have a 3,000 word in Spanish, and I I upload 300 videos per month. Uh, this video's length is only 30 seconds. I give you uh, proper pronunciation in this video. So and I also give you if you want to sentence in Spanish, but nobody interested in sentence. So now I not give some sentence in both the language, but I give you a proper pronunciation in Spanish. So watch my one word show and improve your Spanish pronunciation. So thank you guys, and bye guys for listening me, and have a good day. Bye guys.